How profoundly has artificial intelligence, or AI, changed our lives? Is it merely a tool, or has it become an integral part of our existence? The answers to these questions may surprise you. Artificial intelligence is no longer a concept confined to the realms of science fiction. It has become an integral part of our everyday lives. From the virtual assistants on our phones to the recommendation engines on our favorite online stores, AI is everywhere. Consider the healthcare industry, for example. AI has revolutionized medical diagnoses, making them quicker, more accurate, and more accessible. Take the case of PathAI, a Boston-based startup that uses AI to identify disease patterns and pathology slides. This technology not only speeds up the diagnostic process but also increases the accuracy of diagnoses, potentially saving countless lives. In another instance, let's look at finance. From robo-advisors to fraud detection systems, AI is transforming the way we manage our money. For example, the company Ayasti uses AI to detect financial fraud. Their system analyzes vast amounts of data to identify suspicious patterns that a human analyst might miss. Artificial intelligence also has a significant impact on education. AI-powered platforms like Carnegie Learning provide personalized learning experiences for students, adapting to each learner's strengths and weaknesses. This tailoring of education can lead to improved learning outcomes and greater student engagement. However, as AI becomes more prevalent, it also raises a number of ethical considerations. Questions about privacy, accountability, and the potential for job displacement are becoming increasingly pertinent. For instance, consider the use of AI in surveillance systems. While these systems can help improve security, they also raise concerns about privacy and the potential for misuse. Despite these challenges, the future of AI holds immense potential. Rapid advancements in machine learning and neural networks are paving the way for more sophisticated AI technologies. From autonomous vehicles to AI-powered medical diagnoses, the possibilities are endless. In conclusion, AI has a transformative potential that reaches far beyond what we can currently comprehend. It is revolutionizing industries from healthcare to finance, improving efficiency, and enabling new possibilities. However, as we embrace these advancements, we must also be mindful of the ethical implications they bring along. The future of AI is not set in stone. It is a path that we are carving out with each new advancement, each new application. It is a journey that is as exciting as it is daunting, and one that we are all a part of. So, as we ponder on the profound impact of AI on our lives, let's also remember that we are the architects of this future. It is up to us to ensure that AI serves as a force for good, enhancing our lives while preserving our values.